Coffee. Confidence. How you doing?
I never understand this one. Which one be confidence? You won't get confidence. Now see yesterday you come to college. Hey, me I don't sabi fight oh. Collect security oh. If thief come, hey, collect security oh with it.
Oh, you miss me already.
Yeah, miss you. Me must even chop this one.
Your food is there.
Okay? Food day.
We shock you.
Anyway, they see food. Jesus. Food. Yeah.
What the this?
I can't believe my eyes. Gary and two Maggie for Jama Shepherd. Jama Shepherd. Hey, but you must know Jamie. I know be Jama Shepherd. You this bastard. Now my first to buy dog. How you go give me Gary? The Gary no even good. Hey, go ahead. This show it. You don't go prosper. Emma Shoponi. This man a woman. If you don't get HIV before Wednesday, make I die.
Where's Tilly? Tilly.
I found a love.
Dang, she's pretty.
For me.
That's great.
Like here, rubbish.
And confidence.
Babe, let's just go inside, okay? You guys should have fun, okay?
So this is love. So
I want to see you,
is love.
Who is all the great Abia mate? You go knock.
What? I don't understand. If I saw my name and touch, just won't get down on me.
You get it. I be no dog. We are an introduction. My name is Confidence. I am German Shepherd. You?
My name is Tilly. I be Ghanaian Shepherd.
Are you playing? What type of playing?
Wait it. Ghana get Shepherd. Baba, you know me any Shepherd. You will look at dog. Wait it. You go knock. I mean, you no go knock.
I go knock.
I appreciate it.
That guy.
What do you?
It be like say my period don't come.
You know, Chris. I be no dog. They get period.
Jesus.
And I don't go police Jesus. Waka fast, you idiot. Wait it. You love food. Which kind of shit Ghana they get Shepherd? Hey! We take on them. We're not take anything. Go. Confidence. Attack.
Where the 10 million?
10 million.
Where the 10 million?
10 million, ladies house.
It's there. You complain like mine.
How 10 million complete? 10 million complete. Wait! You don't say if you bad person. You don't say that God will punish you.
Confidence.
You don't like confidence again. In fact, fuck all this dog shit. You don't say, 10 million ladies house. They give me Gary and man. Don't worry, you go die yesterday. More fight man to man.
This evening you will die.
Dog they talk. No, we know they talk, but we dey buy.
Confidence, mark by me now.